Imagine you're walking through the African savanna 200,000 years ago. The sun is beginning to disappear behind the horizon. The tall grass brushes against your legs. The only sounds are the wind and your footsteps. Then everything goes quiet. A rustle comes from the grass. You stop. Your heart starts pounding. Was it just the wind? A harmless antelope? Or a hungry lion waiting for the perfect moment to attack? You have 1 second to decide. Choose correctly and you live. Choose wrong and your story ends here. Today, if we hear a strange animal, we can search the internet, watch a documentary, or ask an expert. Ancient humans had none of those things. No books, no warning signs, no wildlife guides, no one to tell them which animals were harmless and which ones could kill them in seconds. So how did they know? The surprising answer is, they usually didn't, at least not at first. The world our ancestors lived in was one of the most dangerous places humans have ever called home. Lions hunted in groups, leopards waited silently in trees, hyenas could crush bones with jaws powerful enough to shatter even the strongest prey. Crocodiles hid beneath calm-looking rivers, waiting patiently for something to come close. Venomous snakes disappeared into the grass so completely that you might not see one until it was too late. Even tiny scorpions could turn one careless step into days of pain. Ancient humans weren't the kings of nature. For hundreds of thousands of years, they were simply another animal trying to survive. Every trip to collect food, every walk to find water, every journey away from camp could become a fight for survival. Imagine living every day knowing something stronger, faster, or deadlier might be watching you. So why didn't humans disappear? The answer begins inside your own brain. Scientists have discovered something fascinating. Even very young babies notice snake-like shapes much faster than many harmless objects. The same thing happens with spiders. That doesn't mean babies are born knowing what a cobra is. Instead, it suggests our brains evolved to pay special attention to things that threatened our ancestors for countless generations. Imagine two ancient humans. One ignores every movement in the grass. The other immediately freezes and looks. Which one is more likely to survive? Exactly. Over thousands of generations, the people who reacted quickly to possible danger had a better chance of staying alive and raising children. Little by little, those instincts became part of being human. Even today, a sudden hiss, a low growl, or something moving quickly in the corner of your eye grabs your attention almost instantly. Your brain is still carrying ancient survival software. But instinct wasn't enough, because not every dangerous animal looked dangerous. Some deadly snakes stayed perfectly still. Some poisonous insects were small enough to fit on your fingertip, and sometimes the most dangerous predator of all was completely invisible until it attacked. So humans learned to do something that changed history forever. They started paying attention, not just to animals, but to everything around them.